Welcome students. Hope so you are doing great and enjoying a blessed Friday at your homes. Today, what is today? Yes, today is Friday and the date is 16 December 2022. Today we are going to revise our previous lesson which we had done in the last week, that was preposition. Yes, you heard me right. Preposition. What are preposition? Yes, you are thinking right. Preposition is a word or a group of words which are usually placed before a noun or pronoun or an adjective which is describing the noun in a sentence. Prepositions tell us about the place where something is happening and the place one is coming from and going to the direction in which somebody or something is moving. That means this is also going to tell us about the direction, and prepositions to also tell us about the location and where somebody or something is positioned. Today we are going to revise the subtopic which is preposition of position. What is preposition of position? Yes, preposition of position tell us where somebody or something is positioned. Where is something is positioned? Yes. And today we are going to discuss few prepositions of position in our today's lesson. So, when we are going to discuss prepositions of position, first example is under. Under is used when there is something else below the surface of anything else. For example, there is the surface and the thing is present just below the surface. Yes, the thing is present below the surface. Here are examples, like you are learning this line or reading this line. Since you have started the reading, the cat is under the table. The cat is under the table. Where is the cat? Cat is a noun. Cat is a noun. And table is also a noun. And the cat is under the table. For example, that's a table and the cat is under the table. Now the second one is the shoes are kept under the bed. Now in reference to the shoes and the bed, both are nouns. The shoes in reference to the bed are present under the bed. Shoes are under the bed. Where are the shoes positioned? Shoes are positioned under the bed, below the surface of bed. And now the second example is second preposition word, that is above. Above. When we are using above, we are using above, the word above, when there is something higher than anything else. When there is anything higher than the surface or something. Yes. For example, the red ball is above the blue box. Here is our blue box. And the red ball is above the red box. Yes. There were clouds above them. Now, clouds are the noun and them are the pronouns. And in relation to clouds and the people, which we are saying them, we are using as pronoun, the clouds are above the people. Yes. The third word is by. When we are using by is used when something is placed close to someone something is positioned close to someone or something else. For example, here is a box and here is a ball. We can say that the ball is placed or ball is by the box. Ali is standing by the wall. Ali, where's Ali standing? Ali is standing by the wall. For example, I'm your teacher and I'm standing by the board. The second example is the dog is sitting by the table. Where is the dog sitting? Dog is sitting by the table. Yes. The next preposition word is beside. Beside is used for something when something or someone position is next to someone or something else. When someone's position is just next to somebody else or someone else. For example, Ali kept the keys beside the box. Ali kept the keys just beside the bed. And Aisha is sitting beside Fatima. Now, where's Aisha is sitting? Aisha is sitting just beside the Fatima. They both are sitting close to each other. Not only close to each other, but they are sitting next to each other. The next preposition word is between. The next word is between. Do you know where we are using between? Yes, you are thinking right. We are using between when something is or someone is positioned in the middle of two things or two people or two persons. Now, when we are using between, this is Aisha, this is Fatima, and this is Alia. Now, when we are talking about Aisha, when we have to tell the position of Aisha, we are going to say that Aisha is sitting between Alia and Fatima. The cat is between the two tables. Cat is sitting between the two tables. The next example is the house is between two shops. Where is the house? House is between two shops. If you have to say that money is divided between Ali and Arham. Very good. The next preposition word is in front. Yes, in front. That is somebody or something is facing someone else or something else. Yes, you are facing someone. When you are facing someone, then we use the preposition in front. Like I am just facing you people, that you can say that we are in front, the teacher is in front of us. Yes. The next example is the cat is in front of the box. Here is a box and cat is just in front of the box. Muiz parked his car in front of the mall. Where Muiz has parked his car? Muiz has parked his car in front of the mall. Muiz ने अपनी गाड़ी मॉल के बिल्कुल सामने खड़ी की है. His car is facing the mall. The next preposition word is among. Among is used as something or someone is in the middle of the similar things which are present in the form of group. When there is more than two things which are in the similar form, then we use among. For example, the teacher was standing among the students. Teacher is also a human being and students are also human beings, and they are in the form of group. And when the teacher standing among the teacher, बच्चों के साथ खड़ी है, तालिबों के साथ खड़ी है. The red box is among the blue boxes. Here is the red box and that is among the blue boxes. We use among when we are talking about the similar things of the same category and someone is present just in the middle of that thing. For example, if we are down in the class, the lady was standing among the crowd. Okay students, so we are going to just wrap up our lesson with a quick revision of preposition of position. Today we have done the few words which of preposition of position which are used to locate or tell us about the position of anything with like noun or anything else. Above, first we had done above, which is used for the something is above or over the surface of anything else. We had learned about the under. Under is used when something is just below the surface. We had also learned about the between. Between is used when something is placed between the two objects or two persons. Beside, when someone is just or something is just close to next close to anything else. Among is used when there is something in the middle of all the similar things grouped, when they are in the form of group. By is used when there is something just near and close to anything else. In front is used when we are facing and you are facing or something is facing anything else. Hope so you enjoyed today's lesson. And now coming towards your diary, you have to use these above mentioned prepositions for making sentences. You have to make the sentences out of these prepositional words by using them in the sentences. Everyone is clear? Okay. Allah Hafiz everyone.